remember the day, even wrote down the day that I fell for you. And now it's crossed out and gray, but I still can't forget if I wanted to. And it drives me insane, think I'm hearing your name everywhere I go, but just all in my head. It's just all in my head.
After 11 years of being an OFW, now I'm finally home and I will never leave again.
It's a mistake, drink my troubles away. One more glass of champagne.
Time is free, but it's priceless. You can't own it, but you can use it. You can't keep it, but you can spend it. Once you've lost it, you can never get it back. There's only one thing more precious than our time, and that's who we spend it on. Due to pandemic, many things I'd realized, and one of it is that family is more important than anything else. See you all in Bohol! Follow me for more Bohol adventure. Hey!